Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you that this phone has FRP and I'm gonna erase FRP, okay, through analog tools. This phone is Samsung A32, okay. Connecting Wi-Fi. After that, it shows that this phone has FRP in Gmail account. Remember guys, three models we have in A32, okay. A325F, three models we have in unlock tools to erase FRP. So this phone is locked, okay. We have to test point this phone. Without test point, it cannot remove FRP. Erase FRP in MediaTek, okay. Click this and open your phone. Got it? Remove the back cover and click the test point right side, okay, and connect the cable. It will remove FRP. Wait a minute. The phone shows just charging, okay. We have to disconnect the cable, connect again, but first connect the pins to remove FRP, and it goes to MediaTek to erase FRP guys, okay. Just click erase FRP through MediaTek. Wait a minute. Yes, FRP Gmail account removed. Done. Thanks for watching and subscribe my channel guys for more videos.